George Station. Next stop, Museum Station.
Excuse me.
Yeah.
Sorry. You wouldn't happen to have any gum by any chance, would you?
Oh, gum. Yeah, I do actually.
Oh.
I actually happen to have 2 packs on me, if you can believe it. Here, this one's just plain old dentine peppermint, but this one's some new flavor by Stride or whatever, some mystery thing or tropical trance. So it tastes, I guess, when you eat it, you feel like you're in some sort of trance, but it probably tastes just like pineapple. But I like it. It's really good. I bought another one by Stride too. That's tasty.
Peppermint is fine.
Okay, that's
Yeah.
fine then. Sorry.
Oh,
Sorry, that's
okay.
yeah. Feel free to have 2 pieces if you want, depending on how bad your breath is. I just mean take as many as you need, or the whole pack. It's fine. I buy a lot of them, so.
One is fine.
Okay,
Thanks.
you're welcome. Glad I had a selection. It's nice to have choices, democracy and all, you know.
Museum Station. Next stop, Queen's Park.
So are you in politics or something?
No, I'm not sure why I said that democracy thing. No, I'm actually taking history at U of T, 2nd year.
Oh,
Yeah.
great.
How about yourself?
Oh, I work in aquatics.
Oh, cool. Like,
I'm a lifeguard. I'm not really sure why I said that.
I can't swim, so.
Really? Not that that's a bad thing. or
No,
anything.
don't. It's okay. I don't know why I said that either. Actually, I'm kind of embarrassed about it that I can't swim. So.
Well, don't be. Just because I'm a lifeguard doesn't mean that I'm some sort of like water Nazi or something.
No, it's water Nazi. That's funny. Yeah. Anyway, it's no big deal. I just don't associate much with water if I can help it. I mean, I drink it and I shower. Of course, I shower. So, you know, other than that, I like to drink beer and it's in that. So I guess I live with it.
Good.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Bing, bing, bing. Queen's Park. Next stop, St. Patrick's Station.
You're not from here, are you? Are you from here? No. You're from out west, I bet, aren't you?
Is it the shirt?
Kind of.
Yeah, actually, as a matter of fact, I am. Red Deer, Alberta, if you must know. Hey.
I'm sorry.
I know.
Oh, I was kidding.
I know.
Oh, okay. Good.
How about yourself? I bet you are from here, aren't you? The GTA, if I was to put money on it? Burlington or Scarborough or something like that?
Oakville, actually.
Really?
Yeah.
Yikes.
Yeah. It's where I grew up, so.
Yeah,
Yeah.
I hear that.
Yeah.
Bing, bing, bing. St. Patrick's Station. Next stop, Osgood Station.
So, what's your name?
Oh, that's, sorry, I should have,
Yeah.
silly of me to not introduce myself.
Really?
If I only know what made it so exciting, when all at once my heart took flight. We got to dance with me. I could have danced, danced, danced.
Osgood Station. Next stop,
Oh,
St.
no.
Well, this is my stop. I have to go.
Oh, that's too
I
bad.
hope to see you again sometime.
Yeah, that'd be great, actually.
St. Andrew Station. Please clear the door. Please clear the door.
I clear the doors! It's Greg! My name's Greg! Actors.